Call it a day. There's no way I'm going to finish my report this evening. So I may as well call it a day. The boss was mad because Tom called it a day at noon and went home. We'd painted half the room and were feeling a bit tired. So we decided to call it a day. Made of money. I know you want the new phone, but the answer is no. I'm not made of money. No, you can't have another car. I'm not made of money. So far so good.
How is everything with your new job? So far so good. The people are nice and I'm learning a lot.
If you have any problems with the apartment, please don't hesitate to give us a call.
Well, so far so good. I hope I won't need to get in touch, but thanks again.
On the tip of one's tongue. Her name is on the tip of my tongue. Just give me a minute, I'll remember it. I had the answer on the tip of my tongue, but I couldn't think of it in time. Keep one's fingers crossed. Good luck with your written test tomorrow. I'll have my fingers crossed. It's too early to say how Mary has done. It didn't look bad, so fingers crossed. I think I did pretty well in the exams and I'm keeping my fingers crossed.